This video is perfect for you if you haven't been very active recently and you want to get started, or maybe you're a little bit older and you're really unsure about where to start or what to do. We're going to focus on 3 exercises you can do at home that are extremely effective to help with knee pain. If your knees are already quite sore, look at this video here first, where we go through hip and glute strengthening exercises. But if your knees aren't very sore and you want to get started, then let's go with these exercises. The first exercise we're going to do, and remember these are very, very simple, but don't confuse simplicity with lack of effectiveness. You could be sitting on a chair or sitting at home like this, and all you're going to do is sit down, put one foot in front, and then you're putting more weight through this foot here, and you're going with a B stance, sit to stand exercise. Now, in this, what I'm doing is pushing my foot down, putting my pressure down through this back foot, down to the laces, and I can feel it working harder here. After 10, what you can do is hold it with your hip about 6 inches above the chair, very little pressure through this leg. Just stay here and relax and you'll start to feel these muscles working. Hold it for 5 seconds or 20 seconds, whatever you're able for, and then go at it again. Go to the point where you feel I've done quite a bit of work on that leg, and then change positions. So put the other foot in front, this foot, the toes are about at the heel here, and again, you're going to put weight through this back foot. This foot is still on the ground, so balance doesn't become a limiting factor, and you're working that leg quite hard. If that's too difficult, just start off with your conventional standard 2 feet beside each other and go with your sit to stand. When you have a chair behind you like this, or a bench, it forces you to sit your hips back, which can be quite good if you're just getting started with exercise. Second exercise you can do, which is incredibly simple and easy as well, is a calf raise exercise. So at home on a stairs, or if you're in the gym, if you're just getting started, you don't need to load it up too much. It's quite a humbling exercise. And if you're pushing down through the ball of your big toe and the toe beside it a little bit more, up as high as you can, and all the way down. And go with that tempo of about 2 seconds up, 2 seconds down. Try and get as high as you can. And just go to the point where you feel, I could only do 2 or 3 more repetitions. Don't limit yourself to 10. Stop with 2 or 3 reps in reserve. You should feel the calf muscle working really hard. And then the third exercise you can do at home is just this one here, getting up from the ground. So if you need to have a chair or something like that beside you, you can do that. But what we're doing in this position is pushing weight down through here and standing up. Step back, push through here. So you're not pushing off to the back leg. And just get comfortable and capable of getting up off the ground by pushing down through this foot. From this top position, step back. Again, use a wall if you need to help with balance. And you should feel all the work being done on this leg. You can pick a number like 10 or 15, or stop with 2 or 3 reps in reserve. There's 3 exercises that you can do very, very quickly. Do them in isolation or do them all together. One of the problems people have is they just never get started, and there's so much information out there, it can be quite confusing. Just get started. If you are just starting, go every second day. So maybe do 2 sets of those exercises, take a break the next day, and then go again the next day. See how you react to that, and you can either increase the reps or the dosage, or decrease it if you feel it's a little bit too much. If you have any questions on any of this, comment below and we'll get back to you.